E4 is a revolutionary autonomous solar panel cleaning solution that keeps photovoltaic solar panels clean and producing at peak rates 24/7, 365 days a year. Already commercially deployed, E4 dramatically enhances solar park performance and shortens overall return on investment. Each water-free E4 cleaning robot uses a microfiber and controlled airflow cleaning system, removing 99% of panel soiling every day. Fully autonomous and energy independent, each E4 robot has its own solar panel and self-cleaning mechanism. For maximum management efficiency, the E4 system can be remotely monitored and controlled from anywhere, anytime. Innovative and cost-effective, E4 changes the way utility-scale solar parks operate, dramatically increasing solar energy production. Ecopia helps solar parks worldwide deliver more energy more efficiently, making the power of the sun even brighter.